Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a restriction to allow or don't allow TV provider on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the settings page, we go down and then tap on screen time. After that, we scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Next, scroll down to the bottom. In the allow changes section, tap on TV provider. At the top here, choose between allow or don't allow TV provider. And that's it. Select one of the options. Then swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.